Jarvis AI Frontend Embedding. 78% of organizations are already using AI to work faster internally and respond better externally. However, building an AI chat system takes months, and the AI landscape moves faster than you can ship. Jarvis AI Frontend Embedding was built for exactly this moment. It's a plug-and-play AI chat assistant that embeds directly into any website or internal platform your business already runs on. Ready to work from day one. Picture your customer support page. A customer lands there at 2 a.m. with a billing question. No agent is online, but Jarvis is. They type their question. They get an answer instantly. No ticket, no queue. They leave satisfied. Now picture an engineer deep in a Jira ticket. She needs to cross-reference a policy, track down a document. In the past, that meant opening another tab, searching through wikis, losing her train of thought. With Jarvis embedded directly in her workflow, the answer comes to her, with full context, right where she already is. And this is far more than a chatbot. Jarvis connects AI agents and MCP integrations directly and securely to your selected data sources. So every answer comes from your single source of truth. And Jarvis enforces RBAC and ACL per data source. Authentication, authorization, and governance handled behind the scenes. The right people get the right answers. With Jarvis Front-End Embedding, your enterprise doesn't have to choose between moving fast and staying secure. Customers get answers instantly. Employees stay in their workflow, and Jarvis handles the connections, governance, and access control, all behind the scenes with zero engineering overhead. Jarvis AI Front-End Embedding works on day one